Hey guys, Explore the Wild here. Today I'm going to be going over one of my favorite plants of all time, the Venus Flytrap. Now, the Venus Flytrap isn't any ordinary plant. It's an amazing plant which can actually eat other bugs. It's known as a carnivorous plant. There's many others like the sundew and I forgot the others' names, but there's a couple others. They have these different mechanisms adapted to them that actually help them catch wild insects, including flies. Now, just the ability to catch a fly is insane. The fact that a plant has the speed fast enough to do that is just crazy to me, which is why this plant is really amazing to me. So the first thing I'm going to go over is how the plant actually traps the insect itself. So the Venus flytrap has two sort of leaves, sort of in a V shape or like a claw shape, or like it's like a mouth. On each one of the side of the mouth, there are three little spikes, three little hairs. They're called trigger hairs. If a fly lands in there and touches the trigger hair, there will be a 20-second timer set. The plant automatically knows that. If within 20 seconds another trigger hair is touched, within a blink of an eye, the Venus flytrap will shut and the fly will have no escape. Now, because the fly is live, it will keep moving, which will cause the Venus flytrap to close tighter and tighter, just because those movements will cause the trigger hairs to keep on triggering. Because of this, the Venus flytrap has adapted very well. For example, if a twig or a stick were to land and hit the trigger hair once, it doesn't want to waste its energy on that. Therefore, it's perfectly adapted to only catch and make sure it's caught something that's actually a live insect. And what's really cool about this is over the next 10 days, it will start its digestive process. It will start producing these fluids that will actually break down the fly itself. It won't actually completely consume it, but it will basically suck the juices and everything out of it. Now, the cool thing is that the soil, you can't put these Venus flytraps in regular soil, because actually, if you do, they will die. The nutrients in regular soil is not good for them because they get those same nutrients from the flies they catch, from the insects they catch. Therefore, if you were to try to make this plant in a regular pot of soil, it would not work. It would die within a couple of days. Now, you guys may have noticed why I have it in a bowl. It's to imitate how they actually were in the wilderness. So they actually grow in swampland areas. And in the bowl here, I have water. So I always keep it filled up throughout the summer times, throughout when it's growing very much. Just because to imitate, they need a lot of water, a max amount of water. Obviously, you don't want to flood it. It would obviously rot the roots. But you need max water, max sunlight. I keep it on a max sunlight window throughout the summer. Throughout the winter, they actually go dormant. They will turn like this brownish black. Next summer, they'll come out again if you take good care of them. And the cool thing is, they're very colorful. You'll see some of the leaves on the inside are green and red. And they may even look like they're a little bit moisture. Now, the reason is, what are flowers? Flowers are colorful. It's a perfect trap for bees, for flies. They look, they see something colorful, they want to sit on it, and the thing that they actually produce as a trap mechanism is some type of sugar fluid that is so attracted to flies, any insect, sometimes even spiders. They walk right in, boom, it's mealtime. One of my favorite plants of all time. Now, what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to put my finger in here. Obviously, majority of you guys probably know nothing's really going to happen, but we'll see. Like, you don't really feel pressure either. Like, obviously, like, if I were to keep my finger in there like 10 days, maybe I would feel something. But I don't think I can do that. But so, for example, right here, I'm going to touch the trigger here once. Then again, and you'll see the plant's actually starting to close on me. It is getting tighter and tighter, but I can easily pull my finger out. And this is exactly what they do to plants. Now, it isn't advised that you do this a lot because it's bad for the plant. You know, it wastes energy. Like, these plants are very well adapted to their environment. They need to use this energy that they produce from these trigger hairs very once in a while. You know, like if you do it too much, the plant will undergo too much and probably die. But there you go, my favorite plant of all time. It's an amazing plant. Let me know what I should do next in the comments below. It can be anything. It can be free handling a venomous spider, even taking a sting from a bee, just telling facts about anything. Like, I'm down to anything you guys want. Just let me know down in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot. And have a great day, guys.